Johnny Plumber here, and I just wanted to jump on and do a quick video. It's been a minute since I've done a Gotbackup video. I just wanted to let everyone know that I'm still in the business, still alive and still kicking, still growing, still getting stronger, still getting commissions from Gotbackup. I just wanted to do a quick video just to let everyone know about this wonderful opportunity. Perhaps you have looked into it in the past and you may want to take a second look, because the business is getting bigger and it's getting better. And Gotbackup I've always considered the people's business, right? So in a nutshell, Gotbackup is a cloud-based file sharing, file saving opportunity. So you pay $9.97 monthly and you get 6 terabytes of space on the cloud. What do you use that space for? Now, everybody has a cell phone, right? I have a cell phone. Everyone in the world, most people have a cell phone. I take a lot of pictures. I take a lot of videos. I was in Jamaica last week and I took just so many pictures. And it got to a point where I keep seeing messages from Google saying that your space has been used up. All I had to do was go in there and delete all those pictures, all those videos, and free that space up on my camera roll, on my camera, and in Google. And I didn't have to worry, because in the background, I had Gotbackup working for me, saving every picture, saving every video that I took. It's a wonderful opportunity. So I just want to do a quick video here. I'm not even going to edit this video. This is raw, uncut. You're going to hear all the mistakes that I'm going to make when I'm speaking, because I want to speak from here, just to let you know how I feel about this opportunity. I also wanted to jump into the software just to show you what it looks like. When you sign up with Gotbackup, you get a members area that looks something like this, right? So you get a wonderful back office and a lot of things over here on the side. Now it says here digital tools. When you click on it, it gives you a bunch of stuff. The Gotbackup software, it gives you all the resellers tools if you are in the affiliate program for Gotbackup, and resellers tools in different languages: French, Italian, Spanish, and so forth, because this is a global opportunity. All right, so you have your lead capture system, and we can talk a little bit more about that later. But because it's not just a cloud storage system, it's also an opportunity for you to share this and make commissions. As an affiliate, you have a lead capture system built in. Not many businesses offer this, but you have a built-in lead capture system. All right, they have some promotional stuff going on here, like the VIP access. I'm a VIP, so I do have VIP access. When I click on that, it shows all the different advantages to being a VIP. All right, you have something that says my business here, and when you click on it, you get to see your commissions, your commission overview, commissions, your commission payment options, and that's a whole bunch of different ways in which you can get paid and what you want to do with your commission and so forth. It shows your payout history. You can look at your downline, see how many people in your business. You can look at your direct affiliates. So it's an opportunity for you to, communicate with those on your front line. You can look at the live webinars. This company hosts several webinars each week, and they're all recorded, so you get to look back at them and learn more about the opportunity. So you have the replays there, just a bunch of stuff, and then you have the internal wallet. The internal wallet is another fascinating thing. Let me tell you how I use the internal wallet. So this internal wallet is a tool that I use in several different ways. One of the key ways in which I use it is when I promote my Gotbackup business. Sometimes I come across people in nations or in third world countries where they do not have access to like a Visa card or a MasterCard checking account that they can use to sign up for a business like this one online. So I just go into my internal wallet and I transfer some money in there from my commissions, and then I would just create a link, a sign up link, and I could send this link to anyone. And once they click on that link and sign up into the business, you don't have a trial version of the business. You have the business. As easy as that. So for $29.97, I create a link and I send it to anyone. And that's primarily how I am growing my business today. I have chosen to do that because I could spend money to buy traffic. And when I get traffic, I'm going to get a bunch of leads come in. They may join the business. 99% of the times they don't, but they do go on my email list, right? So something I wanted to share with you also, if you do go that route where you're growing an email list with Gotbackup, everyone that clicks your link and sign up for the temporary to go onto the powerline and come into the business temporarily, they go on the email list. And something brand new, hot off the press, that Gotbackup just launched is this here. It says that let us handle your follow-up emails. Convert free members into paid members automatically. So in other words, if you share this with others and they sign up for the free membership, right? With the free membership, they're very limited. They don't get to use the software. They get to see what's happening, but they don't get to use it. But to convert them into paid members, you need them to be able to pay that $29.97 and to get into the business. So what the company is offering here is that they're saying that once you have those leads come in, if we pay an additional, a one-time fee of $19.97 to Gotbackup, they says that they will handle all those follow-up emails for you. How amazing is that? It says here, hassle-free, we manage your follow-ups so you can focus on your business. Just imagine you have 20 people opting into this opportunity, and instead of you spending the time nurturing and sending them emails and following up with them, the company says pay us $19.97 one time, and going forward, every time someone comes into the business, we're going to send them the nurturing emails, we're going to do all the follow-up calls. It's just unheard of. It says here multilingual support, right? And this is for English, Spanish, Italian, French, Russian. It says here, expert crafted emails to convert free members into paying customers. One-time payment, lifetime value. So you pay for this one time, and everyone that opts into your business, they automatically get followed up on by the company. It's this company continues to just blow me away, right? So I wanted to say though, when you sign up, my recommendation is here you have a 9-minute video that explains a little bit more about, introduce you to the company, introduce you to the business. I'm just going to play a few seconds of it so you can have a little understanding as to what's going on here.
Hey folks, Joel Tarian here, and congratulations on becoming a Gotbackup member. In this video, I'm going to take you through the two most important things to you: how to use the Gotbackup software and how to promote. We are all here. We know we want to make great commissions from home. So let's go through the promotional tools. You can get them from this link right here, or as you can see, if you click on digital tools, then go to Gotbackup, you can go to the reseller tools here as well. It brings you to the same place. This first affiliate link is the most popular, and it's generating the best conversions. So that's this link here. And again, if you want to copy the link to clipboard, you can copy it. I'm going to come to another place here and paste it, and that's how it works, okay? And then obviously when people fill this out, and I'll go through this in a moment, it generates you a lead. But let's go through the other affiliate links first. So that's the first.
All right, so that's that. So you get to watch this video, you get introduced to the company, you get introduced to the tools, and right away you can, start doing the business. The very first day I signed up with Gotbackup, I made commissions. And so if you're dead serious about doing an online business that works, an online business that costs you less than $9.97 is less than most meals at a restaurant today. So that's what you pay per month for a booming business that has the potential to just make fantastic things happen for you in the future. This is a global opportunity. it is a recession-proof business. We're dealing with a industry here that is growing. So with the advent of artificial intelligence and other digital products, we're using much more space than we have in the past, and you're going to need storage. So at Gotbackup, we're saying keep your memories. Don't delete your memories. All right, I just want to share a quick story. They also have a feature in Gotbackup called Memory Place, right? And so last year we had an activity at my church where we did a beach cleanup. We had probably about 200 people on Miami Beach doing a cleanup. And what I did, I brought a QR code that's linked to my memory place here in Gotbackup. And so everyone that came to that activity, that scanned that QR code, all the pictures that they took for that activity gets loaded into memory place. And everyone that scanned that QR code were able to have access to all the pictures that everyone took. So just imagine going to an event like a wedding or a party or something, and you have that QR code there, and everyone that clicked that link, all their pictures gets load up to this one place, and everyone gets to collaborate. It's one of the greatest collaboration efforts that I've ever seen, to be able to go to an event and receive pictures from hundreds of people. Pictures that you would not be able to take on your own because you're getting everyone's pictures. It's just fascinating. And so all of that gets stored in one location on the cloud. You can delete it, you can share it, you can keep it, you can do whatever you want with it. But Gotbackup is just a fascinating business opportunity. For me, I will not stop promoting this because I see how this is going to be huge in the future. So there's another company that most of us are familiar with. It's called Dropbox. And Dropbox, when they got started several years, about 17 years ago, they started as a small company and they just grew very fast. Now, fast forward 17 years later, they have over 700 million customers. Now, Dropbox doesn't pay you any commissions for introducing people to their business. They don't give you not even 10% of the features you're going to get here with Gotbackup. And certainly, you can talk to them. We share on these webinars with our leaders our concerns. They listen to us and they take our recommendations and they make the business better for us. That's why I refer to it as a people business. So if you're interested in becoming a member of Gotbackup, direct message me. In the description of this video, you'll find a link to gotbackupofficial.com, which is my website. You can go on the website, you can sign up for a free membership, or if you want to come directly into the business and you're serious about following the simple instructions of signing up and 2 other steps to grow your business and earn commissions the same day and to propel your business into a monster of an income opportunity for you, direct message me and I will get you into the business and I will teach you how I am growing it. I'll show you how I got dozens of people into my downline and keep getting recurring commissions over and over and over again. Again, this is Johnny Plummer. I'm so pleased to be able to come on and to do this video just to educate the masses on Gotbackup and the wonderful thing that's happening. This company is exploding all over the world. You should see the team that we have in Africa, in India, in Asia, here in the United States of America, in Europe, all over. It's just fascinating what's happening, and I want you to be a part of it. Join me as we grow this monster of an opportunity and create a better future for us and our family. Johnny Plummer checking out, saying peace.